What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a while since I've done one of these tutorials, and this particular tutorial is going away from the schedule that I originally had planned, but I do get asked this a lot, and that is how I get this as a channel point redemption without using Leon board. Stick around because I'm going to show you. Before I start, I just do want to say that I have heard a lot of good things about Leon board. I know a lot of people that do use Leon board. I know that Nutty, for example, is a big advocate for Leon board. But for me, I just couldn't get it to work. I couldn't get it to connect. I did find an alternative to do channel point redemptions using videos, and that alternative is called Triggerfyre. Setting something up like Triggerfyre is actually pretty simple. So let's change over scenes and I'll show you how it works. First things first, you want to choose a video that you want to upload to Triggerfyre as a channel point redemption. As you can see, I've already got a folder here full of green screen videos. I have uploaded this particular folder to my Discord. The link to that is in the description below. Be sure and go and check it out. For me, I'm really digging this dead body reported Among Us green screen. Which I'm going to upload, and I'm going to have it as a channel point redemption. So now that you have your video selected, you want to head over to Triggerfyre. You want to go to up here, overlays.thewire.com/widgets/Triggerfyre. I will also leave the link to that website in the description below. Now, you want to log in with Twitch. Because I already use this, I'm already logging in. And as you can see, I have a lot of media that's set up for channel point redemptions. It works. But for you want to go to videos. Then you go down here and you press the plus button. Under command name, you name whatever you want. Because I've got a Among Us thing, I'm going to call it Dead Body Reported. But you also go into here where you got your channel point redemption. Sorry, apologies. And then you want to name it whatever you want. For this one, I'm going to call it Dead Body Reported. Like I called it this as the command name. It doesn't really matter because the command name, what does it? You don't really need the command name. I just put it in anyway. So when then under here, when you go select video, you go upload. You go select file. I have what I want here, and you go open. And then once it's uploaded, there's a blue tick. You click on that. Now, because I want my video to be the way it is, to cover the full screen, I'm not going to adjust the size or the volume for that matter. You can change the position with X and Y. So if you want something that is on the bottom left hand side, you want to go -100 by 100, and that will put it on the bottom left hand side like you did see with the jamming cat. But because I want this full screen, I am not going to worry about that. Hopefully this works. And then once you got that done, you go save. Now that you have your channel point uploaded, you want to head over to your Twitch account. Okay, so now that you're at your Twitch account, you want to head over to your creator dashboard, go to community, go channel points, manage your reward challenges, and then all the way down to the bottom, add a new custom reward. Now, this part is important because in order for this to work, you need, when it says reward name, you have to name your channel reward thing the same as you did in or on Triggerfyre. So for this case, I'm calling it dead body reported. Now, under amount, usually to make it more fun for my viewers and all that sort of stuff, I put 200. That way everyone can can redeem it. Because you change the color however you want. Because it's a dead body, because of blood, I just like to, associate with red. And then you go create. And then you've got that all set up like that. So I like to set up the channel rewards before I actually do the next part, so I know that it's there and then I don't forget about it. But once you set up your channel rewards, head back over to Triggerfyre, hit this button here, and then you want to hit copy link. And then the next step is to head over to either your OBS or your Streamlabs OBS. But in this case, I am using OBS. Either way, it's going to work. So now that you're in your streaming software and you've made a scene, I've got this as a tutorial scene. You want to go to your plus button and you want to go to browser. Create a new browser. I call it channel redemption. You can name it whatever you want. And then you paste your URL here where it says URL. Your custom size, of course, is whatever you made it. So I think this case is 1280 by 720. I could be wrong. It's not the first time I'm wrong. There. And now, hopefully, when you go to test it out and then you go to dead body report it, redeem it, your channel point works. But you've got a slight problem. It's green. There's a way to fix that also. Right click on your browser source, go to filters, hit the plus button, and then you want to go to chroma key. You hit OK, and then because the default is green, a lot of the stuff that is in that folder is green screen. You don't have to worry about hitting anything. Just go close, and then when you hit that channel point redemption again, voila! And you've got yourself a channel point redemption. I hope that tutorial has helped you out. If not, by all means, feel free to shoot me a message on Discord, on Twitter, or on Twitch. The links would be down in the description below. Speaking of Twitch, you can catch me live every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, till late. Of course, the link is in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, I hope this helps you a lot. And until next time, take care.